Hello guys, Flash here from review. Today we're going to discuss about MoonShark. It's a new cryptocurrency and it's pretty interesting, so let's just get right into the video. Hopping onto their website right here, let's take a look at the tokenomics. So the total supply is 100 billion. There's 11% tax from all transaction, which 4% will be automatically added as liquidity on PancakeSwap. Half sold BNB then paired with other half of MoonShark token. 3% will be distributed to token holders, 1.5% will be sent to the lottery pool, 1% to the liquidity pool providers, and the remaining 1.5% will be distributed to stakeholders. MoonShark will be available on sale on DxSale tomorrow, so make sure you go and follow their Twitter account and join the Telegram group, as they will give the link and everything you need to buy tokens. After the pre-sale is done, you'll be available to buy MoonShark on PancakeSwap. Here on the website, if we scroll down, there's frequently asked questions. So how many addresses will win each lottery drawing? So there's going to be a lottery. So as of now, it will be 5 total winners of the lottery. But as the community expands and the lottery pool size gets larger, the community will vote on expansion and terms of expansion. And one jackpot winner 65% of the total lottery pool, one gold winner 20%, and 3 other winners of which 5%. So in order to participate in the lottery pool, you will have to be a Pancake liquidity provider, and every provider will receive 2 lottery tokens for every MoonShark token they have in the pool. I want you guys to go on Coin Hunt, and I'll leave the link in the description to vote MoonShark. We just have to scroll down a bit until we find MoonShark. It should be over here. Yes, it is. Just go and give it an upvote. That being said, for today's video, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.